NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence. In this lesson, we will rationalize a denominator that contains cube roots using the undetermined coefficients method. Our target is to remove all cube roots from the denominator step by step while keeping the algebra crystal clear. Let's start with the example and the problem statement. Step 1. To simplify notation, let t be the cube root of 2. Then the cube root of 4 is t squared. Our denominator becomes 5 plus 3t squared minus 7t. We'll use the method of undetermined coefficients to build a factor that cancels the t and t squared parts when multiplied with the denominator. Step 2. Multiply the denominator d by an unknown linear combination in the basis 1 t squared. E equals a plus bt squared plus ct. Now expand the product d times e carefully. Step 3. Because t cubed equals 2, we have t to the fourth equals 2t. Replace t cubed by 2 and t to the fourth by 2t, then collect like terms in 1, t and t squared. Step 4. For the product to be purely rational, the coefficients of t squared and t must both be 0. This gives a 2 by 2 linear system for a, b, and c. Step 5. Solve the system. From the first equation, 7c equals 5b plus 3a. Substitute into the second equation and simplify to relate a and b. We obtain 34a equals 67b. Choose the smallest positive integers with that ratio, a equals 67 and b equals 34. Then compute c from 7c equals 5b plus 3a to get 53. Step 6. With these values, the constant term of d times e equals 5a plus 6c minus 14b, which evaluates to 177. That means d times e is 177, a rational number. Therefore, multiply the original fraction by e over e to rationalize the denominator. Step 7. Quick check. Evaluate both sides numerically to confirm agreement to 3 decimals. The left side is approximately 0.775, and the right side matches. This builds confidence that our algebra is correct. Final result. The denominator is rationalized, and the simplified exact form is square root of 2 times the quantity 67 plus 34 cube root of 4 plus 53 cube root of 2 all over 177. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math lessons. NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence.